Hello guys, Hilary here from Hilary's Kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to make a marinade for our choma. Today we're going to be chomaing. In Africa or Kenya we say nyama choma, so we're going to grill, and that's what we want to start doing. I want to introduce you to the ingredients for my choma. So our ingredients are mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. So my mint leaves are fresh. I just remove them and wash them. Then we have the onions. I have 2 of them, 2 big onions. Then I have garlic that I already peeled. There's my garlic. I've already peeled my garlic. Then we have rosemary, fresh rosemary. Then we have ginger roots. Then we're going to use curry powder, just a little bit of curry powder because of the meat. This is chicken masala, same like curry powder but strictly for chicken. I'm going to use a little because I'll be doing chicken in the middle of the grilling. Then we have salt. I have a little bit of food color, which is egg yellow. The food color is egg yellow. And then I'm going to use olive oil. My olive oil. So let's try and make the marination very fast. The marinade very fast and marinate chicken. We're going to start with putting our garlic in there. Okay, the electric grater, something like that. Then I'm going to put my onions. Let me cut them a little bit. Yeah, there's my onions. Put them inside there. Let's chop this one into 2. Yes, there. And I'm going to put my mint leaves there. So my mint leaves, and then a little bit of olive oil, so that the blender can blend comfortably. So we put olive oil, like 4 tablespoons. For me, I only use my eyes to measure what I want. For you, put 4 tablespoons. That's enough. That's enough. Then just fix the grater or the blender. You can use your blender, you can use your electric grater. Plate. You're making a little bit of noise. Plate. And see, yeah, we are almost there, but I want to make it finer than fine, so we continue blending. Right, let's blend some more. Let me check how smooth it is. If it's not smooth like I want, I'm going to add a little bit of water. So it's not very smooth, I want it smoother. So let me add a little bit of water. That's enough. Then we go again and blend. You can add water too. I think we are good to go. Let's check. Oh, amazing. This is lovely. Very lovely. This is lovely. That's how I wanted it. So we remove the blades, and then we stir it a little. Okay, Can you see how beautiful the marinade is? Here is our marinade, beautiful. So we're going to add the seasonings, and after seasoning it, we're going straight to marinate our meat. So we do 3 teaspoons of salt. Remember, your seasoning should be according to the amount of meat you want to do. So I will add a teaspoon of curry powder, a full one. Then we go to a teaspoon of chicken masala. So there's curry powder in there and there's chicken masala. I want my meat to have the mixture of the two, because one meat is going to be chicken and the other meat is going to be goat meat. All right. Then at that point, that is when I'll put just a pinch of food color. Let me show you. Don't know, you see, egg yellow. So I'll just put a pinch of food color just to bring some color in my marinade. There it is. It's like a quarter, a pinch, like a quarter teaspoon. Then we mix them together. Mix well. Okay, mix very well. Make sure everything is well mixed. So let's beat it. Okay. So can you see how colorful it is? See? So nice. And then it has a very nice aroma, but I'm going to taste the flavor. Yeah, the salt is enough. Please always taste your marination so that you know you balance the spices and the seasonings. Yeah, so there it is. We are good and ready to go. Let's go. So because our marination is ready, we're going to light the grill, and it's lighting. Let's marinate the meat. Let's marinate the meat, or marinade, whichever. Marinate. We're going to marinate. So here is the coating. I'm going to put it here, and I place my meat. This is goat meat. So place there, and then I pour just a little. Okay, that's enough for that coat. And the rest I'm going to put in my chicken. So the one I'm going to put in this chicken, because I'm grilling both chicken and goat. Today is Good Friday, and every Good Friday when we were kids we used to feast. And so because Corona has decided we are staying home, we are still going to praise God and pray and feast also. Our Pasaka. So we just marinate. This is chicken. You see the drumsticks? So I marinate like this with my marinade, which I've made just right now. Come to the goat meat. I made a mistake. I should use the other hand. Sorry for that. Make sure both sides are well covered. Yeah. Cover every part. Lift the down one, bring it up so that the other one can sip. So you can sip, eh? I think you can see the elegance of the marination. Okay. We are almost there. I want to make sure every part is covered, and then I'll give it like 30 minutes or 1 hour in the fridge. That time my grill will be red, because it's a charcoal grill. I like charcoal grilled meat. I don't like electric or gas grills, because charcoal is so nice, it's so authentic. So you see, we are done. for the mbuzi and for the chicken. I'm just going to give them like 30 minutes in the freezer, in the fridge, and that time I'll be lighting my jiko, my grill, and then I'll show you the next step. Don't move an inch, stay here. Thank you. Okay. So now after marinating our chicken for 30 minutes, I can say it's time to place it on the grill and do our thing. So our meat is ready. So ready. You see? We're just going to straight away transfer it to the fire, okay? So let's move to the fire and place there. Let's place on the fire. Place on the fire, okay? Then we put it here. We have some marination. Some marinade. So the rest of the marinade, we're just going to keep it aside. That is what we'll be brushing on the meat as continues roasting. Okay, I'm going to keep the rest of my marinade aside. I'm just going to keep it aside. And then move to the next thing, which is the chicken. But we want to do chicken on skewers. So I have my skewers here. Not really skewers. So this is the chicken that I want to also prepare. And whenever you're doing anything to do with meat, may it be red meat, may it be white meat, and you're using the two types of meat together at the same time, but please make sure you avoid mixing the two. You understand? Like the gloves that I used on the beef, the mbuzi, the goat meat, are not the gloves that I'm going to use on the chicken. So this is where I want to pin my chicken, right? I want to pin it here and place on the gas grill. So you see how I arrange my chicken? It's like I don't want to lose any. What do you think? This chicken is looking like amaze balls. So you don't have to put a lot on one. You can place here. And then I take the other one and finish up the rest. Okay? You should know that today is on a Good Friday and we are going to enjoy a good meal as we bone there. Put this one here. I put this other one here. Right, we're done with this chicken part. So we move this one also to the grill. So I'm going to move them a little. I want it to roast slowly but sure. Okay? I want them to roast slowly but sure. So from there I'll still throw my gloves And then I'll start using the tongs. Or yeah. So using my tongs. Oh my god, this is amazing. 30 minutes later and our grilling is coming through. Everything is in order. I've already wrapped my goat meat to just grill pole, grill slowly because I like it very tender. So I usually wrap, at some point I wrap it with the foil like this. So what do you think? Just look at the chicken drumsticks. Oh, this is so nice. Anyway, gosh, what did I do? 30 minutes later and my chicken is ready. Our grilling is totally amazing. So yeah, you can see the chicken is perfectly grilled. If you look at here, I've wrapped my goat meat because I like it to grill slowly and suck in all the juices so that it can be soft and tender and all the amazing things that come with grilled meat. So I will unwrap this and show you how it looks like. Meanwhile, the chicken is ready. You can see? The chicken is ready. Let's see. Really nicely done. So yeah guys, so let me unwrap, serve and show you how the both meats look like. And so guys, our meat is ready. The grilling was amazing. I can say we are going to sit and enjoy. And finally our meat is ready and juicy and things like that. So you guys, I hope you enjoy your Good Friday, Pasaka, and remember to keep safe and love one another. Alright, see you on the next video.